Now that you know what an API is, we'll talk through how TI's suite of APIs can help transform your business. Let's start with inventory and pricing. You've got a bill of materials and are ready to purchase the requested products. Don't spend time searching for each of them individually. Instead, let our inventory and pricing API do the work for you. Almost instantaneously, you'll receive our Texas Instruments quantity of inventory, limits on parts, and current prices. You've found exactly what you're looking for in no time. Is an item from your BOM out of stock? Enter the TI part number, quantity, and currency with our Inventory Subscription API, and TI will notify you when it's available for purchase. Now it's time to submit your purchase order with our Order API. This API can both place and receive order updates, so you can purchase and track with the click of a button. Want to know when your order will arrive? Use the Advanced Ship Notice Retrieve API to stay on top of an order's shipment tracking number, carrier information, commercial invoice, and more. Too busy for that? Let TI notify you when your order ships with our Advanced Ship Notice Push API. Download your final invoice with the Financial Document Retrieve API or have TI send it to you with our Financial Document Push API. Transform your business by saving time and effort with TI's suite of APIs. Visit ti.com/API or watch the next video in this series to learn more.